10. Cool cooking gadgets. More often than not, you lean on the cooks in your life. Cooking is compared to art and daily essential work. Today we show you some super cool cooking gadgets that will make cooking easy, safe, and fun, such likely making weeknight dinners for the whole family, or perfecting the next big holiday meal. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker cooks your breakfast, lunch, or dinner sandwich in just minutes. Perfect for brunch or a quick, healthy meal on the go. You can completely customize your sandwich with your choice of bread, cheese, eggs, meats, and much more. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. If you want to cook a quick and perfect meal, then the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker can be your top choice. Its latest third-generation technology, the microprocessor, monitors pressure, temperature, keeps time and adjusts heating intensity and duration, helps to achieve desired results every time. 14 one-touch smart programs put cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more on autopilot, with tasty results. Number 3. Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. Presto Pizzazz Plus's top and bottom heating elements bake foods from both sides. The rotating tray turns continuously to assure even baking. It saves as much as 60% energy compared to a conventional oven and easy to clean and store. Number 4. Electric Waffles Maker. Its non-stick cooking surface and multiple design tray style help to make a variety of food with simple operation. The fast heat conduction helps to save cooking time. Number 5. Bi-Lo Mix Automatic Bread Machine. The Bi-Lo Mix Automatic Bread Machine is a professional bread maker with rich experience in your kitchen. A revolutionary heating element built into our bread maker changes the way you can bake at home. With perfectly brown crust every time, you can be a master baker. Number 6. Instant Read Meat Thermometer. The Kaizen Instant Read Meat Thermometer could be your top choice waterproof ultra-fast thermometer. It is a digital thermometer that helps to make perfect cook of beef, chicken, barbecue, grill, fish, and also outdoor cooking. Number 7. Comfy's Multi-Cooker. To achieve the ideal cooking performance, Comfy has developed the intelligent 6-step cooking process that the steam valve and inner pot can preserve the steam and heat for perfect to simmer the fluffy rice every time. The rice cooker is user-friendly with a digital LED display and a sensitive touch panel. Number 8. Baby Cakes Mini Cake Pop Maker. Making cake pops couldn't be easier. But this super cool gadget helps you to make perfect round cake pops so easily. You just need to spray with oil, pour the batter, close the lid, bake for a few minutes, and voila, it's ready. Number 9. Egg White Yolk Separator. Egg White Yolk Separator helps you to separate egg whites for easy use, safety, and clearance. You just need to pour eggs into the separation device and gently shake. Number 10. Breakfast Omelet Mold. If you want to make a shape of breakfast omelets, then this device should be your top choice. It helps to make all of your eggs cute with those lovely sides-up little wide-open egg shaper. Those super cool cooking gadgets make your cooking easy, comfortable, and save your time and hustler. You can follow those cooking gadgets to cook perfect food for your family.